In this video, you'll learn how to trade with smart money and how to spot fake moves before they trap retail traders. Once you understand this concept, your chances of becoming a consistently profitable trader can improve dramatically. Let's get started. First, I've drawn a trend line. As you can see, there's a lot of liquidity resting above it. Now I'll draw a support trend line, and there's plenty of liquidity below that as well. Watch what the market does next. It breaks below the support trend line, just enough to trap sellers into thinking the market is about to drop. But here's what smart money really does. First, it takes out the seller's stop losses. Then it reverses and sweeps the buyer's stop losses too. This is a classic liquidity grab. Once you understand this behavior, you can identify high-probability trade setups instead of getting trapped. Here's our entry. Our stop loss goes below the swing low, and our target is the next swing high. As you can see, this setup gives us a clean, high-quality trade. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart money trading strategies.